Corn and soybeans favoring the upside midweek. Michelle Rook is back to see if we can keep the trend going in markets now.
Grains ending mixed on Wednesday with the row crops higher, wheat lower. Mark Schultz is back with us. And Mark, let's talk a little bit about soybeans. They kind of led the rally, and there's talk of China business on the export front. Is that what kind of drove that rally?
Well, I think it certainly helps, Michelle. And we've seen the export business get just a little bit better. But what we really have taken place in the last 10, 15 days is the price of beans in the world market have gone up. Instead of being 30, 40 cents Brazilian beans under U.S. beans, they are now even with there. So we're getting more competitive in the world market with our beans, and that has led hopefully to some better demand. And that's quite frankly what this market needed at the present time. So the bean market is acting very nicely.
And corn was up as well. Did it just follow soybeans?
Here too, Brazilian corn has started to firm. I think that's still going to be the key. We're get the Safrinha corn crop harvest has just begun. The first yields have been respectable, but it's been on a dry pattern for the last 28 to 30 days at a lot of the locations in the Safrinha corn. And I just think that we might see something that chips away a little bit more at that production. We'll see.
Yeah. So winter wheat contracts went up, made new highs for the move, and then we ended lower on the day in the entire wheat complex. But that weather narrative, the global production concerns, that is not over, is it?
It's not over. The forecast kind of keeps flipping back and forth on the extended outlook in Russia and parts of Ukraine. They've been on a drier trend now for probably since February. And it still looks like, at least as of yesterday, coming into today, it went back to above normal temps, below normal precip. You're probably going to get into a time period when you get to probably this June 5th, it probably won't matter. If you don't have the moisture by that time, I think it'll be a done deal, and you should have yield losses. I think the big key here would be is if the Russian wheat crop starts falling below 80 million metric tons, I think you have a better story for the wheat in the big picture.
Thanks for joining us, Mark Schultz with Northstar Commodity, and we'll have more AgDay coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.